Naman ko pero natatakot pa rin ako sa misis ko. Hindi naman niya ako sinagawan. Kalmado nga lang siya eh.
Ay, Laling. Yung tawag sa ugali kayo. Sinungaling. Mamasa ng kapalpakan sa ibang tao. Huling-huli na tayo pagba.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Gigi, kumusta lang?
Oh no. Oh no. Okay.
Sir, ano? Ano lang pa ulit ko, sir?
Uy, seryoso ka na naman. Yung papers na pinapasikaso ko para bukas ha.
Apo, sir.
Okay. Ano ba? Scrubbers. Ano?
Parang mas lalo kang gumaganda dyan. I know, right?
Absolutely. You know this. Doing this. I can have fun. I do have fun because this is cover. This is a competition. This is not have fun. This is only a joke, man. Do not. Okay. Let's start. Oh no, yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. This all of the above. Because this is all in the above. Okay. That's it. Okay, this and this can people in here. What the heck? Okay. I'm relaxing dudes. Okay. Alright. The food of breakfast. Food of breakfast. Okay. That's enough. Okay. Let's go to here. Get some. Oh no! Fell. Oh, I'm fell. Yeah. Just make a parkour again. I don't want the parkour. I want the free chest move. Let's jump. That's a nice jump. Oh, that's not a nice jump. It's a bad jump. Please clean up this girl. Do that night situation right there. This is a nice jump, huh? This is a nice jump.
Sir, sorry po.
Do you think this is a nice jump?
Okay lang kayo? Ano po problema?
Okay, I don't want this one, sorry. Okay, this is it. That is it. It's a bar. He said the super is to start. Let's just go with the girl. Let's play it. Yeah. Hello? Okay, I'm here now. Wait a minute. Watch. Again. Wait a minute. Let's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No players at there. Okay. We're not players. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Ooh, that's a noob. That's a noob. Oh yeah. I see dirt. I see dirt. Oh, I see dirt. That's a noob. So let's play Minecraft. Server. Okay. Listen up. Get him, you have just like rocket mode. Okay, find your place. Oh yeah. I'm here. Oh whoa. Whoa. That's toy chest. Toy chest. Okay. Not. Okay. The server. 19, 16, 16, 16, 40. 30, 12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! It's starting already. What is it? What is it? Oh, there it is. Hey. Wait a minute. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So, this is nice. Oh, so, you might have done this. Okay. We have no goodies in here. It's a cold and hey, that's weird. No goodies. Oh no, I don't want it. No goodies. No goodies. No goodies. I have only 32. See. Oh no, I'll break it. Oh wait. Oh, you have 32 please. I'm going to 32 glasses. Glasses. I don't want glasses. So I am in Minecraft. This glasses is not good. Glasses, blah blah blah. Glasses. Okay. Let's just we got to purple in here. That would be dangerous.
Nasa meeting po siya eh. Ay, ma'am, pupuntahan niyo po siya? Yeah. Is there a problem? Kasi po, ang bilin po ni Sir Kevin, kahit na sino po yung pupunta dito at hinahanap siya, bawal daw kung storage meeting niya. Well, hindi naman ako kahit sino. I'm his girlfriend. Mamisi, sabi po ni Sir, bawal daw po siya abalahin sa meeting niya. We don't have time for this. Mamisi, nagbilin po talaga niya na bawal po daw siyang abalahin niya. Ma'am, pasensya na po talaga kayo. Hintayin niyo na po sirain yung araw ko. Pinagbilin po talaga niya na bawal po siya abalahin sa meeting niya. Pasensya na po kayo. Mag-sell out of my way. Ma'am, hindi po talaga pwede. Sorry po.
I'm so sorry. Sorry. Wait lang.
Here now. Whoa! Oh, there's some people there? Oh yeah, I see it. Where's the people? I don't. Oh, kill him! Okay, he's done. I killed him.
I wasn't expecting na darating ka, so I told well
Ito ka pa siya sa meeting mo? Anyway, I just dropped by para sabihin sa'yo na my friends are planning to visit here next week. Sir, leave us alone! Sorry po.
Okay, I'm gonna put it up.
I'm really sorry. Wala namang kasalanan si Pearl. Sumunod lang naman siya sa feeling ko.
Pinagtatanggol mo pa yung assistant mo? Kevin, masyado mo sinespoil yung mga empleyado mo. You're the owner of this company, but you act like you're one of them. Hindi mo sila ka-level.
Nakikisama lang naman ako sa kanila eh. Isa pa mababait silang tao and they're doing their job very well.
Then he died too.
Okay. Babawin niyo na ako sila. Tonight, sasama kita sa party.
Hindi ka naman mag-enjoy dun eh.
So? Doon ka naman eh. Hindi pipilitin ko mag-enjoy para sa'yo. Nandun ka. That's all that matters to me. Did you
know that it only takes one app to upgrade your entertainment experience? This is it. Fox Plus is the new video streaming platform that's going to upgrade your life by giving you more.
Oh,
Get exclusive
yeah.
access to content from the most loved entertainment brands. Be able to choose more.
What?
From can't-miss TV series to award-winning movies
Oh, I
to
know.
eye-opening documentaries,
That's me.
even the biggest live
Oh,
sports
yeah,
events.
that's me.
Play Fox Plus on
Wait.
any device. Enjoy it on your
No,
smartphone,
bro.
tablet, computer,
You
or on your
just
big
fucking
screen.
mind, okay?
You can even switch streaming from one device to another
Okay, that's
seamlessly,
it, guys.
even without internet access.